Hi guys, I'm Šarūnas, I'm a light artist, and I just wanted to tell you a quick story about one of the art pieces that I just finished. So I work with light, I work with various light installations in the art, and I create light pieces of art on canvas, metal, acrylic glass that has light integration inside, and that light can highlight the important details of the design, the beautiful details of it, and sometimes it just can fulfill the art itself. But my current project that I just finished is the Le Mans racetrack made on acrylic glass. It has a multiple acrylic glass layers, but the base layer of it is the racetrack with the map print, with the print of the speed indicators, corners, everything. It also has a drilled racetrack outline on the acrylic glass, and that outline is integrated with addressable LED strip that gives the light effect of a car moving around the racetrack. So I installed two LED strips and made those cars to race each other. So basically that's very sick installation, to be honest. It's one of the kind. It's a signature piece of the room where it's gonna be. But the process how I made it is like completely different from what you see right now. So at first I needed to design everything. Small details, big details, racetrack details, everything has to be in one place, in one specific form that is going to be cut. So I had to make all of that stuff, all the different layers for the racetrack contour, for the sign in the front, in the middle of it. So all the text that is printed as well. That was kind of a big work, I'd say. And after that was done, I've sent the required files to the printing company. They made all the cuts, all the printing stuff for me. And then I got this big piece of acrylic glass with some attachments next to it. I'm pretty familiar with addressable LED lights. It's not my first rodeo. I'm pretty enjoying working with these because they can give us the required effect in no time if you know what you're doing. So I neatly integrated everything inside of the cut racetrack outline. Then I programmed the lights. I made the effect of two dots racing around the circle. It was a pretty difficult work, I'm gonna be honest. Still, it requires precise actions on the precise spots. You have to solder the cables. You have to arrange everything. Well, it's a pretty complex work, I'd say, but it's definitely worth the final result. So once the artwork was done, I cleaned it out and I took some photos, I took some videos, and yeah, right now I'm sharing it with you. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous and pretty excited about this video because I believe it's pretty awesome. I believe that it's not seen and it's pretty unique. And I believe that there are people here who might like it. So thanks for watching.